the test status. This is one of the reasons why, the quarantine periods that are recommended are in place. So if you take that same scenario, this large group of people in this neighborhood all transmit these negative results. Somebody could be looking at the map and saying, oh, look, there's not much out there in that neighborhood, which could be wrong, right? So I think we have to be careful of how the test is used and how the data is used.
So who should use one of these tests once they come on the market next month?
For me, it would be a low-risk person with mild or moderate symptoms or a high-risk person with minor symptoms. Testing is still most useful in the context of symptoms, and I think, if you have flu symptoms or you're at home and you're wondering if you have COVID and you're not high risk, this is a great way to save yourself a trip to the doctor and figure things out. If you're very sick or moderately sick and you're high risk, you should go seek care. And so I think those types of use cases might be the sweet spot for this test, but I think that has to be determined and communicated by the health authorities.
You touched on this before, but do you think this technology is going to change the way government tests are done? Being able to do it from the comfort of your home and sharing the results in the cloud?
I think so. I think, one of the good technology stories of COVID has been telehealth. And, I've been